Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and if you're looking behind me, that is Phun. Phun is an amazing physics simulator, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of those cool little blobs. So let's get cracking. So my friends, this is the Blobsticle. This dude can bounce and spin, he's easy to drive, and he can go in all kinds of places. We've used him a lot in this Blobsticle course, which somebody else made, and it is awesome. But now I'm going to show you how to make your very own Blobsticle. Step one, my friends, is to find the MT Tools folder and double click on blank. When it launches, Phun will be at the 1 meter mark, which is the way we would like it, and we are going to play with the chain. You need to draw a chain that comes all the way around in a circle and then connects. And zoom in on it and make sure you have an even number of parts. We'll actually fix that at the end if we miss, but once we've got this put together, it's time to attach it with springs. Just go from one spring to the opposite side and keep going all the way around until it is all connected. I will add some speed to the video so this all happens faster as you watch it. So I got lucky and that matched up perfect. If it did not match up perfect, what I would do is I would right click on one of these pieces and I would delete it and then move it together. Alright friends, so this is where it gets fun. If you hit play and drop him, he's got a little bit of rigidity. Alright friends, so this is where it's magical. Select them all with a rectangle. Remember, you just over grab, go to your springs, and nudge the strength out just a little bit more. Also go to the target length and stretch it out just a little bit more. Notice it had NaN, which meant they were all different, but you can find the perfect number. The last part and most epic is to click on Geometry Controller and attach it to the arrow keys or the ASWD. As soon as you click on those keys, you'll have control and be able to drive your blob all over the world. Don't lose them though. Now that you've got him built, make sure you also go to selection and tell it follow with camera. Zoom out, and now it's time to create an awesome world for him to drive through. I am going to pause, and the first thing I'm going to do is build a sweet ramp. So there's my ramp. I want it to stay connected, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to give him a place to land. Remember, when you have the brush tool on, if you hold down shift, it does straight lines. I'm going to have him drop to the ground there. I need to zoom in and I need to attach him. And let's see what we've made. If I hit play, there's my ASWD. Let's see if my little blob can climb. Yes, he can. And he can jump. And remember, if you ever crush him, like you can see I've got a part that went wackadoodle, you just need to undo to go back to where he was before. So everybody, now your challenge is to make something awesome with the blob, or with more than one blob. You can make an awesome little maze. You can make just something fun that the blobs go through. You can make a pair of blobs that are controlled, or as many as 3 blobs that are controlled by the keys on the keyboard. You could also have a cool sumo game where you had a platform. You could have them start in the air, drop to the platform, and then battle to see which one stays on the platform last. All kinds of options for you guys to make something totally epic and have a lot of fun at the same time. Alright friends, remember, in my classroom you have to go way past this video, make something totally epic, show it to me, play it with somebody else, and get a screenshot of it that we turn in at the end of the lesson. Friends, real quick, if you're enjoying the Phun Physics Simulator, I do want you to know there is a new version called Algodoo that you can download on the internet. Also friends, if you check the cards above, I do have a video that shows you how to find the version we use. I do have to tell you that it will not run on Chromebooks, but if you got an old PC, you can put it to work. Lastly friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.